Our Drive School of Motoring. Become a safe and confident driver.
You just told me that amber means get ready to stop. Doesn't mean anything, does it? No, we'll talk about get ready to stop. I'm going to explain why green means get ready to stop.
Okay.
A bit weird. Rule 175 of the Highway Code tells us that every other light apart from green means stop.
Okay.
But it says, but on an amber light, if you've already crossed the stop line, carry on through, fair enough.
Yeah.
But if you're so close to the stop line that to stop abruptly would cause a collision, carry on through. What collision is he talking about?
Rear end.
Being rear-ended. So therefore, Fearne, on every green light you approach, you need to check your mirrors to see what's behind you.
Yeah.
Now then, this is what we're going to do when we approach a green light. We get to a reasonable distance, probably where they about now to the traffic lights. Check your mirror, come off the gas, cover the brake pedal, and when you get to a stage where I'm not going to stop for an amber, go back on the gas.
Yeah.
So now what that's doing is a little bit of engine braking, so you're going in the right direction. You're also covering the pedal, so if it does go amber, you're okay. You've also checked behind, so I'm going to stay here. If that goes amber, I'm not going to stop, then I can speed up, can't I?
Yeah.
So we're going to put that technique into practice. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. So really, green is you're prepared to stop.
Well, yeah.
If amber means stop, green light means prepare to stop.
Yeah.
They were following it down. Right hand side on this one I'm going to go. So it's on green, isn't it? So check your mirrors, cover the brake.
Cover the brake.
Are you not going to stop an amber? What about now?
Now.
Gas.
Wow.
Well, there we go. So if it changes, you're always ready for the... It's a version of slow until you can go, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.